Hey, what's going on guys? This is Sinh from reviewsofsoftware.com. Welcome to my PinWizz review. Now I'm inside the member area on the PinWizz. I will show you exactly what you get and exactly how you can use PinWizz. So what is the PinWizz? PinWizz is a software that automatically help you try a lot of traffic from the Pinterest to your website, to your CPA offer, and also your affiliate link. So I know a lot of you guys do affiliate link. You try to do promote your link on Pinterest, but you didn't get a lot of traffic from the Pinterest. So this software is right for you. If you are a business and you do marketing on your you do SEO on your website and you didn't get a lot of traffic, so this software will help you. Okay, so Pinterest is one of the best platform for a lot of people that are searching things on Pinterest. Pinterest have over 300 million account activity every month. So that means Pinterest is the best platform to market your product, your link, your CPA offer, and your affiliate link on there. Before we go to further, I would like to show you my bonus pay. So what you need to do, click to the first link on the description of this video, then it will bring you to my bonus pay like here. So my bonus here, my bonus pay, I will break down everything what you need to know about the PinWizz. This is how you see this is the right software for you or not. So again, click to the first link on the description on this video and it will take you to my bonus pay right here. And here I will show you what is the PinWizz, and also down here I have a lot custom bonus to you, and this is my bonus, really high quality. I spent a lot of time to take to my bonus pay. So I hope you will like it, and what you need to do, click to the first link on the description, it will take you to my bonus pay. So let's see what bonus I include to you if you choose this software by my link. Okay, so when you arrive to my bonus pay, you drop down here, and here is you see my special bonus here. I have included 13 high quality bonus for you. This 30 quality bonus for you. So the first bonus, I will show you how to do SEO keyword. So SEO keyword is important. Any business need, any affiliate need, any people need if you do business on internet. Okay, so this, I will show you how to find the honest and the more profitable keyword the right way, and a lot of more right here. And the second bonus, I will show you YouTube artery. YouTube artery. I will show you how to grow your YouTube business. Look, YouTube is the second largest searching for. So if you buy this software through my link, I will give you this bonus for free. You also can I will show you start your YouTube business. On here, you also have a lot of people searching from YouTube, and you drive traffic to your website and your affiliate link. Okay, the third bonus, I show you video marketing. Video marketing is important. Even you are business agency or any business need video marketing. Now video marketing on the top of the marketing online. So this is the best high quality bonus I keep for you. You can see other people review, and you can say my review here, and if you see other people offer you the bonus, and if you see my bonus more value, you can always come back to my bonus. Okay, The third bonus is I show you unbreakable link. This is also the very high quality bonus. And the third bonus, the 5 bonus here, I show you SEO to be channel SEO. This show you how to do SEO on YouTube. Okay. And also you see here, I show you a lot. The third bonus here, 20 really video music loop. The 7 here, I show you review blogging. A lot of people will charge you a lot of money to build a blog post, a blog review blog. So this bonus, I include you choose this software by my link. I will include for you free. Okay. And this is the new way rank number 1 on Google, less than 22 hours. SEO really important, guys. I will show you how to rank number 1 on Google and YouTube. And a lot more right here. You see a lot. I can't show you everything on here because I want to make this video short. So what you need to do, click to the first link on the description on this video, and it will take you to my bonus page right here. And next, what you need to do, click to any button yellow here. It will take you to the sale page. So why the sale page? Okay, you can just click on here, then it will take you to the sale page. And look like this. 1 minute. Okay, it look like this. And next, what you need to do, you click to any yellow button here, and then you are good to go. You will have it. You will have this software include my 30 high quality bonus. Okay, so let's see what is the software will help you to drive a lot of traffic to your website, your CPA offer, and your affiliate link. Okay, let's go.
Guys, welcome back to this Pinterest traffic software, and in this quick demo video I'll show you each and every function of this software. So let's get started. First thing first, here's the cool dashboard which shows your Pinterest accounts which you connect to this software. Here's bold follow count, which actually shows your followers for your Pinterest board, and then here you will find total pin post and the total comments. Okay, and here is the graph that shows Pinterest traffic users, and here is Pinterest sources, which is from direct, social, or referral. So this is a cool little dashboard here. Let's get into the function side, and first thing is photo editor. So basically in this photo editor you can able to create images for your Pinterest pins. You have so many functionalities. You can add the text, you can change the size, so many things, font style. It gives you so much options for customization. So that's it for this photo editor. Then there is bold section, but before moving to bold section I want to tell you that the first thing that you have to do is connect your Pinterest account, because it's very important that you should connect your Pinterest account, because then only you can able to utilize the functions like search bold, search pins, and the bold feature. So first, once you connect your Pinterest account here, go to the board section and you will find all your Pinterest boards here. Okay, you can see the category, pin count, URL. Directly you can access your Pinterest boards from here, and your follower count for that particular board. Okay, and then move on to the search boards. So from here actual game starts. Okay, so let's say you search with make money online. Boom, you will see all the Pinterest boards for that particular keyword. Okay, and you'll see the total pin count and follower count. See, this is the feature that you never found anywhere. That this is the best feature, because it gives you the ability to see the total follower count and pin count in a one page. Okay, you can see this, and you can literally follow each and every board here. Okay, and the next feature is search pins. Okay, so just like search boards, you can search pins. Okay, so boom, you'll see all these pins here one by one. Okay, and instead of follow feature, as you know, we don't follow the pins. Okay, so what do we do with the pins? Think about it. You just have to go to the pin detail and you see comment. That's the best feature. As you know, most people want to promote their offers and they want to comment with their link. Okay, so you can literally put your some info and then call to action. That's your offer link, and just submit it, and that comment will get posted immediately. Or if you want to schedule it for later, then just click on here and set it. Will be, you will get the option to set the time, and then you can schedule your comment. Okay, let's move on to the next feature, which is add pins. So basically add pins is a feature which is similar to your Pinterest pins feature. It's just that we are giving you this option here so that you don't need to go to anywhere else, that is on not even on your Pinterest account. Without going to your Pinterest account, just using this dashboard here, you can literally select your board and you can put your pin description, pin title, pin link, choose the image and submit, and boom, your pin will get added to your account immediately. Okay, let's move on to the feature of URL shortener. As you know, most of the links get removed when you, or let's say you have purchased one domain and you didn't renew that domain, then those links get broken. Okay, but here what we are doing is we are giving you this amazing URL shortener feature, so you can just put your offer link, create short URL, and you can literally use this URL wherever you want. Okay, so and here you will find all this software video training for each and every function, and here you will find the Pinterest case studies. Okay, Pinterest case studies for the Pinterest results, and here you will see the bonuses from partners, bonuses from our side. And here, if you have any doubt, any queries, you can jump on to this support section and we'll take care of that. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the inside.
Alright guys, I hope you see something power in this software, and I think now you can decide if you want to buy this software or not. Okay, I know you want to buy or not right now because you see everything from to now, and also include my bonus. So I think a lot of people offer bonus, but my bonus is the best. I spent a lot of time to put together right here, so my bonus is the best quality. If you choose this software by my link and include my best quality bonus here, there are no reason you can't get any traffic to your website. No. Okay, so let's see. This product only $17. This product only $17, and let's see what you're gonna get right here. You see here, we show you drive automatic log target traffic from the Pinterest in the next 10 minutes to any blog or website without monthly fees ever. Oh, that's really good. Here are some major features. What offer leads with multiple broad across multiple ID, easy comment and put your affiliate or product link on Pinterest account, easy to use image edit and create high agent image for your Pinterest, serve broad or other people, and easy check high repin to easily follow and unfollow them. Serve and automatify power content on the Pinterest in just a few clicks. Find pin in any niche and repin them to your browse. Use advanced link short to cover your link to in a small one without any branding issue. reduce your dependence on the third party that search your heart and earn money and get no result whatsoever. Drive a limited ton of traffic to your blog, website, affiliate offer with no restriction ever. Get mass audience, grow you the power, fresh visual content, include step-by-step video software guide. It include Pinterest step-by-step training video, $10 case study video how you can earn from Pinterest. Alright, so they have a lot of upsell right here, $35 they have include here. You can check out by my bonus page. And the second upsell right here, they have a lot of upsell, but I think what I recommend that you just can jump on the first, first standard price right here, and you see what is the goods of this software, and this is exactly how you or not. So you can just go to the first starting price here, and you can see what is good. And don't forget they have 30-day money back guarantee. So don't worry if you don't like this software, you always can get refund before 30 days. Okay, so I think everything covered. Let's see if we missed something. Alright, you need to purchase this software before. My countdown time, because my bonus I only offer in less than 3 days. If you choose my link after 3 days and my countdown time, and you will not get my bonus pay. Okay, and you need to send me the messenger. I will help you to do that. You still choose my link. So I think everything I covered here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you first time to my channel, don't forget to like and click to the subscriber, click to the bell icon, and every time when I upload a new review video, you get notified. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in another video. Bye bye.